Alia Bhatt wore this beautiful eye look in her Rocky or Rani ki Prem Kahaani movie, and I wanted to recreate it. So if you're interested, let's get started with today's video. My dark circles are completely out of hand and I have broken out too, so I really need to cover this before I start any eye look. To do this, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Corrector in the shade Peach. This shade is pretty close to my skin tone, and now with the eye Crescent brush, I'm going to be buffing that into the skin. If you've got deeper skin than I do, go for an orange corrector. Apply it precisely so you do not need too much concealer, which will lead to less creasing. This is before and this is after. And now with my Clinique concealer in the shade Sand, I'm going to be applying it at the same places. आप ज़रूर कोई हाइड्रेटिंग कंसीलर यूज़ कर सकते हो ताकि स्किन ज़्यादातर ड्राई ना दिखे. And blend that seamlessly into the skin now. Packing it on will give you more pigment and more coverage. And this is before and after. And now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in dark brown, we're going to be filling in the brows. As you keep applying the color, make sure you're blending it so that the brow looks natural and not harsh. And blend that all out. With the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel, we're going to be applying this on the brows. I always recommend this one because it doesn't create that clumpy feeling on the brows and doesn't stick it down. But again, this is just my preference. Back in with the concealer, let's apply that on the eyelids. अगर eyelids ज़्यादातर dry दिखते हैं तो आप ज़रूर कोई eye primer यूज़ कर सकते हो. Now with the waterproof gel eyeliner pencil, I'm going to be applying this on the upper lash line. I have been rather emotional these days, so I need a waterproof gel eyeliner for sure. But you can also use this if your skin gets too sweaty. कोई भी flat brush लेकर आप blend कर सकते हो. You want to keep it soft and also keep it precise. ज़्यादा pressure मत लगाओ. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. Using the same eyeliner, go ahead and tightline the upper lash line. This step can be quite irritating on the eyes, so take your time with it. You don't want them to get too watery. And do the same on your waterline. Your eye should look something like this at this stage. With the Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette and the shade Apologetic, I'm going to be using the Rephr 01 brush, which is a flat but tapered brush. And I'm going to be applying the eyeshadow on the side of the brush and tap that on the lid. I've used the sides because that will give you a softer look. Because if you go ahead and tap it with the tip of the brush, you might get too much pigment and therefore blending becomes hard, and then you might not like how the eyeshadow is turning out. Stress मत कीजिए, अपना time लीजिए. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Back into the same shade, we're going to be building up the intensity of the color. You can use this tutorial if you want to create pinky eyeshadows too. With the Sigma tapered brush, let's blend that into the crease. With the shade Unapologetic and with my Rephr 01 brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. Blend ज़रूर कीजिए. And now with the Rephr 03 brush and any black eyeshadow, we're going to be setting the eyeliner. There are two main benefits of this step. It will increase the intensity of the black and it will also set the eyeliner in place. Now do the same on the bottom lash line. And your eyes will start looking something like this before mascara. Now take any lash curler and curl your lashes. कोई भी चलेगा, कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है. And now with the Home Beauty mascara in the shade Noir, let's apply that on the eyelashes. Bottom lashes पे भी mascara लगाओ. And there you have it guys, this is Alia Bhatt's Rani look. If you really like this video, please make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys, have a good one, bye bye.